Okay, I literally can't get anything else out. So please attempt to push it out. Okay, this stuff does not want to come out. Come on. Hello, people of the internet. I'm AJ and welcome back to the YouTube video. I noticed that my dogs weren't in my video at all today, so I decided to put them right over here. But basically for today's video, I'm DIYing shorts, showing you guys some of my favorite hair products, showing you guys one of my favorite hairstyles, and just going through more of my dresser again. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys know when I post. Make sure to also follow me on my TikTok where I post all the fun TikTok trends and stuff like that. And make sure to also on my Instagram as well where you guys can see all my fun hairstyle pictures and fun stuff like that. I'm sorry, my dog is really cute. And yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Hello. So for today, I'm actually going to be DIYing a pair of shorts. Specifically these ones right over here just because they're very long compared to the ones I already have on. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and try these on and see how long they are and figure out how short I need to get them and stuff. Then I'm going to attempt to rip them up. I will be watching a YouTube video hopefully to figure out what I'm doing, but for the most part, we're going to kind of wing it. Yay! So here's the before of the shorts. Yeah, as you can tell, they're very, very long, but they are very high-waisted, so that's good to know. So I'm probably going to attempt to see how long they are compared to some of my other shorts that I have in order to figure out where to cut them. Hello again, welcome back to the floor of my bedroom. So, I have this piece of cardboard here, which I can use to distress the jeans, so we'll go ahead and move that over here for a second. I have this piece of cardboard so I don't rip up my carpet. Got my phone over here in case I need to pull up a video. Have a ruler. And scissors, not going to throw those. So this is the pair of shorts I'm DIYing. They're very long, but basically, we're just going to measure them out to the right length so that way then we can cut them. I have these shorts over here for comparison, making sure they both line up the same. And now let's go ahead and start cutting them, and I'll make sure to avoid this pair of shorts. Alright, so I officially did one flap, and I have this little guy that's hanging over here, so I have to figure out how to cut that off. Shouldn't be too hard. There we go. I actually did it right that time. I'll set my other shorts. Okay, so now we got that part done. Now I just gotta even them up a little bit. You know what? I bet I could get some kind of something to draw on this. I should get that. Should be able to supposedly just mark a couple lines. Yeah, that pencil's not gonna work. So, we got ourselves some little chalks. Now we can end up marking the lines on the shorts. Okay, the edges aren't necessarily perfect, but I feel like since they're gonna be ripped, that kind of ends up making up for it anyways. It's actually pretty even across here. Okay, that's actually pretty even. It's a little bit bent in a couple places, but doing pretty good so far. Now we just gotta make sure they match up with each other. Went ahead and flipped them inside out so that way I can see how choppy they are along the back. Alright, so now if we turn them back the other way, I think we got them as even as they can possibly get. You know what? I think I can be satisfied with that. And now, all we have to do is put in the ripped part. Just pulling it apart now to just sort of distress it. And I think we're just gonna leave this here for now and see how it turns out after it's been through the wash, and then we'll figure out if we need to do anything more or if it's just to be fine the same. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of AJ Has a Middle Partner here. So, I just put my hair through like 3 different hairstyles today, and it is starting to get a little bit oily at the top, so I thought I would show you guys one of like my favorite hair products I like to use. It's this stuff right here. It's Batiste Dry Shampoo. I have the Coconut and Exotic Tropical. And basically, why am I shaking it? But anyways, wait, are you actually supposed to shake it? Oh, you are supposed to shake it! Okay. So, basically, I just like to spray this throughout, like, the roots of my hair. And just all around, basically. And then I wait about 20 seconds. And then what I do is I flip my head over and I basically just massage it all in. I like to do the same thing over to the sides as well. I also make sure to focus on the parts that had the most oiliness to it, if that makes sense. And look at all that new volume. That's great. But yeah, typically if you had like straight hair, this is the part where you would like brush it all out. Not like brush it all out, but like you would basically brush any of the extra product that's in there. But because I have like wavy curly hair and it's already kind of frizzing up, I'm not going to brush through it. Oh, hello volume. But yeah, it's one of my favorite hair products to use, especially when I have like oily hair. And so I thought I wanted to show that to you guys. You know what, while we're at it, let's go ahead and do my hair for today. I'm going to attempt to just the middle part. There we go. Now I'm just gonna check with the mirror, make sure it's, all the way down the middle. You know what? It is close enough, and I'm not trying to be a perfectionist today. Okay, so basically I'm just going to rubber band off one side. So it does not have to be perfect because this is not gonna be the final look. Wow, beautiful, I know. Okay, now the other side, what we're going to do is create a little ponytail. I literally just said I don't brush through my hair since it's curly, and right now I'm just currently brushing through my hair. Then we're gonna go ahead and ponytail that in the back. The ponytail holder is really stretched out, so I have to wrap it around a whole bunch of times. And now I'm just going to twist this. And we're just gonna wrap this around the base of the wherever you put in the ponytail. Once I have it twisted around, I'm gonna take one of these little spin pins. There we go. And we'll put that right, probably like an inch away from where the hair stops. Now it's a little ways away. Now I can fluffy it out some. I'm gonna go ahead and use a bobby pin to bobby pin down some of those little hairs. And now that's one side done. I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. All right, now obviously they don't look perfect, but I do kind of like to look at the messy buns. You can obviously use as many bobby pins and spin pins or as few as you would like, depending on how long or short your hair is. Because my hair is a little bit on the shorter end at the moment, so obviously I'm not going to be needing as many. But I mean, like if you have a different type of hair than I do, then obviously you might need more. And I remember back when I had like long hair, I'll put like 4 different spin pins into it as well. I really like how it keeps all your hair out of your face. You can always like, plumb bits of hair in front of your face if you fancy all that. Oh, there we go. You can also pull on the sides as well. But yeah, that's what I like to do. And here's the back side. But yeah, I like the hairstyle because it's nice and easy to do. Doesn't take more than like 10 minutes to do anyways. But yeah, I like this nice messy look. Of course, it may fall out if you're trying to put your hoodie on and off a million times in the day. Like I was doing earlier while filming a TikTok. That's when you have the bobby pin in there. But yeah, I always like how they look because they're always just so messy and they're also really cute. You can always like pull out the hairs if you want to. But yeah, I really like this hairstyle. It's really nice and easy to do. Basically anyone can do it. I like how it always still keeps hair out of your face, especially if you're not doing like little hairs in front. And if you are, that's cool too. But yeah, and then you can always end up like fixing it if you need to throughout the day. But yeah, I really like it. Alright, so my mother basically gave me a whole bunch more storage stuff for my drawers, which is going to be temporary until I get my new stuff. Plus, I also got these twisty ties so I can make sure to twisty tie up a lot of the other cords that I have in my drawers. And so basically just going to be unboxing some of the stuff from my drawers, taking some stuff from my nightstand, moving that over into here, and just kind of organizing up some stuff a little bit more so that way then sooner rather than later I can finally show the before and after of my dresser. Okay. So one of the first things is that I have this unicorn power bank and I also have this ring light, so that's going to go into here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take out this guy. And now I do have a few different cords that I need wrapped up. Yeah, I just have quite a few cords here that just need to be wrapped up. I'll make sure I find similar ones because I like using the black one. Basically, I'm just going to like fold up the two ends together, straighten it out, fold the two ends together, that kind of fun stuff. That's one that's done. Now they all have the twisty ties on, so I'm going to go ahead and put this one back. I do have some cords in here, so I'm going to go ahead and take these out. This already has a twisty tie on it. This doesn't really need a twisty tie. Neither does this thing. I'm actually going to go ahead and put this in with my headphones because it's a connector cable. And I really like that. Actually, no, we'll go ahead and tie these. We'll go ahead and tie these two up anyways. Now let's go ahead and stick this little guy in because this is one of those, you basically put on a cord whenever it's kind of like broken somewhere, so that way then, yeah, it's a little gripper guy, and like the mouse on the head of it. I tried to describe it. Alright, so the next order of business is now that we have all the twisty tie things done. I now have these two boxes, which I'm going to go ahead and open them up because these will give me more space in my drawer. So this is the box I got my Bluetooth headphones in. They were only probably like, I don't know, somewhere between 20 to 40 bucks, so they're way more or less expensive than Apple AirPods. And I got I don't really need a warranty. I do need instructions, so that should be that for that thing. And this is the other box because I got these Bluetooth earbuds for Christmas, so more instructions. We'll go ahead and keep those. So we should be able to, these two boxes should be able to go out of here. And I'll go ahead and put these instructions back into here. Now I have a whole bunch of extra space to put in stuff. What exactly I'll put there, I have no idea. Actually, no, I do have an idea because I have these guys. Actually, what I want to do is I want to go through another box up over here first before I move over the stuff that's on my dresser. This was another Christmas present thing that I got, and there's just a whole bunch of stuff in it, but this thing was taking up a lot of space in my dresser, so it's time that we open this bad boy up. And they really decided to tape every single corner. That looks really pretty. I haven't unboxed this thing, and I got this back in December, so that's nice. Okay, so these are some nice cozy socks. Well, those are nice. So I can go ahead and put these back with the rest of my fuzzy socks into my closet. If you guys haven't seen my closet organization video, where I put all my socks into a storage thing. Then we have this. It's this Rose Shea Butter hand cream. There's still a paper thing on it to protect it from like squirting out everywhere, but think it smells good. And they tape the face mask down in here, so that's nice. Not face mask, the eye mask. You know what I'm saying. Okay, it's nice and fluffy. We also get this bath bomb, if I can ever get it out. Maybe. Alright, we'll flip on something else. Alright, so we have a candle. We don't have a candle just yet. Okay, I literally can't get anything else out. So if we attempt to push it out. Okay, this stuff does not want to come out. Come on. Oh, you guys want to help me out with this stuff because I cannot get this thing open to save my life. Alright, so now that we're back, basically I was able to get all the stuff out of here. So this is what we've got. So I have this, it's a bath bomb and cherry blossom. Yeah, you guys can kind of see that. Okay. Then I have this lavender pillow spray. And you guys can kind of see that. And I also got this Shea Almond Scented Candle. Alright, so I basically just brought over a whole bunch of stuff that was from my nightstand that I just don't really store in my nightstand. And here I have a whole bunch of lanyard stuff. I'm planning on putting all my lanyard stuff into here. And then since this is just a bag that has all the lanyard stuff in it, I'm just going to put it in again with this stuff. And then this guy is a little charging port so I can put like 4 different electronics into here. And then these are just little squishy foam things that you squish whenever you're stressed or you just want something to squish. So I'm probably going to get another storage in here and put all these guys into. My headphones, I need to go ahead and roll these back up. And now I'm going to put all of my little rainbow loom creations into one of these. Now I'm going to go ahead and adjust you guys so that I can move on with the dresser stuff more. That's much better. I'm going to go ahead and grab a bag to put all of these different instructions into. I'm going to go ahead and put all these instructions into one of the Ipsy bags. Okay, so it's a very bad way of storing everything at the moment, but I do have everything in my dresser and I do kind of know what storage I want to get for it now. But yeah, so now I can put all this stuff away. And now I actually have a lot of the stuff that's moved out of my nightstand now. Thank you guys so much for watching. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys know when I post. Make sure to also follow me on my TikTok where you guys can see all my fun TikTok trends and TikTok dances and stuff like that. Make sure to also follow me on my Instagram so you guys can see all my fun hair pictures and fashion stuff and all that fun jazz. And I will see you guys in my next video.